Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. The question today is, where do you put roach bait? You'll want to apply the roach bait in areas where you've been seeing the activity, typically in your kitchens and bathrooms, and you'll want to apply it in concealed places. Concealed places could be considered plumbing penetrations, behind your wall plates, underneath the edge of your countertops, or in cracks and crevices inside your cabinets. You'll want to apply it with small little drops the size of a sweet pea. Now, the most important thing that you can remember is keep this out of the reach of children and pets. Don't put it out in the open. Don't make long lines with the roach bait either. Remember, they're only going to go to the end. He's this big after all. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Carl's favorite movie was Top Gun. You don't know what do you not watch TV, Don? Like, he doesn't know any movies. What kind of film school did you go to?